Local. That is a local right there. Norfolk Southern, 1 power unit. Heading north, just past the Kemper Street station. I think that'll be it for tonight. A lot of trains rolling right now. But that'll be it. Norfolk Southern. Got a local. Well, I was lucky to catch him as he came through the tunnel there. I'm at the Kemper Street station here in Lynchburg, Virginia. I was lucky to catch it. Alright. Uh-oh. We got one coming southbound. He just triggered this defect detector, which is about a half a mile down the road here. Wow, that thing is really full throttle right there, that DPU on the end. That is the northbound that just went by the defect detector. It's on the other side of the Blackwater Creek Recreational. Well, there's a Blackwater Creek and there's like a trestle there. It's just past that on the other side. Wow, that was quick. As soon as I got this northbounder, a southbounder came down. Okay, that train horn I just heard, that's the train that's going through the Carroll Avenue, it's going by the Carroll Avenue, railroad crossing. You got a yellow light on the far side of the track here. I don't know what's on this side. You got a red signal on this other side of the track. This one is yellow. And I bet you if I go to the other side, you'll probably see it. Oh my, look at this. There's a guy sleeping on the stairs there on that railroad cart. He's taking his shirt off, he's pulled it over him, sleeping under the stairs there. Kipper Street Station. Amtrak's already come and gone for the night. In fact, just when I pulled down here to get that first train, the Amtrak station master had just left. His night was done. So I think I'm done. I think that'll be it for tonight. So I'm out of here. From Lynchburg. Uh-oh. Yellow on the far side there. I don't know what the other side. It might be green by now because I can't see the red signal through the tunnel. There could be another train coming down. Okay, that defect detector just went off just north of the Lynchburg station. It's on the other side of the Blackwater trestle. That could mean there's another one coming down. I'm going to have to do a video on the defect detector up here. It's off. It's actually north of the Blackwater Creek trestle. Has to be a train coming down. It triggered the defect detector. Unless it was a train that was stopped up there and but they were going north. That's a pretty good long platform here. Too bad it's, they could make it a little higher for Amtrak, but I don't know why they don't. So, someday I'm going to have to do a video on that defect detector at milepost 170.8. It's accessible, or you can see it just off of Hollands Mill Road, right before you get to Bedford Avenue. I see a yellow and a red signal, so I think I'm gonna give it up tonight. If I see another train, I'll just start a new video. Alright. Now if they cleared the defect detector, it must be coming south. Either that or they got stopped. Because the signal down here earlier I was reading was signal I was reading was yellow on the right track and red on the left. And I can't see the signals facing the other direction. I have to get back in my pickup truck and go down 2 blocks to the other railroad over 12th Street. So this will be it from the Lynchburg Amtrak station. I don't hear anything. Okay, I'm looking at the see that signal? It's hard to see. It's yellow. So I think that'll be it. Good night from Lynchburg, Virginia.